today I'm gonna season up some chicken to jerk, so I'll take you through it and I'll be doing less starching. So I'm gonna show you the chicken. Okay, start to cut it up. I have 2 more over here. So I'm gonna cut them up, cut them in 4 quarters, season them up. So when I cut them up and season them up, I'll show you, and I'm gonna leave them to marinate because I'm not gonna jerk them today. I'll be jerking them tomorrow, so I will show you that part also. So that's my chicken. All purpose, and these are jerk, so I'm gonna season them. I'm gonna rub it in. When I'm finished, I'll show you. That's the chicken season up. So I'm gonna put it in 2 bags and put them in the fridge, the freezer. So tomorrow I'll take you through the jerking process. Okay. Okay guys, I'm back with part 2. This is my cutting board. Just clean it up. This is the grill. I'm gonna clean up the grill. Start the jerking. Guys, my chicken coming on so beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful.